Hi Cal Maritime students. My name is Dr. Ian Wallace from Counseling and Psychological Services.
Hi, I'm Dr. Hillary Anand, also with Counseling and Psychological Services.
And we're here again to share a brief video with you, this time about New Year's resolutions. And what we want to say is that New Year's resolutions are important, you may be thinking about them, and there are some tips, some short tips that we want to share with you to make them even more successful so you can follow through and make the changes that will make you happier and healthier in this new year.
And one way to do that in particular is to actually turn them into goals. And so that's what we're going to get really specific on, and we'll give an example of how we did so in our own lives.
So one tip to start with is to make your goal specific. A general goal like I want to be healthier or happier is good to have, but really may not help you get there. So if you can really nail down exactly what makes you happier or specifically what makes you healthier, be specific when you can.
That always takes me more time, because I'm always like, I want to do this, and I'm like, oh, no, okay, gotta think about how I'm going to do it. But when you're thinking about making it specific, also think about making it attainable. So, saying I want to lose 50 pounds in this year may not be attainable, but saying I want to start by losing 5 pounds may be a way to give yourself a win.
And also make it timely. This may be related to something going on in your life right now that's relevant to something with school, something with family, something in this month of January or at this point in time. So try to choose a goal that's timely and relevant to what's happening in your life right now.
And the last one to share is that sometimes it really helps us to share with friends or family or loved ones. This can be on social media, this can be in person, because they can help keep us accountable. So kind of using peer pressure for good in this case.
Absolutely. And you can even post it on social media, write it down. So whatever your goals may be, we wish you really well in the new year, whether it's taking a digital time out, related to exercise, academics, or other aspects. And as you know, we're always available for consultation. Appointments are available Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. Walk-in hours always 2 to 3 o'clock. No appointment needed.
Absolutely. Have a great new year.